How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we are checking out an absolute gorgeous 66 Chevy II Nova SS. It's a true 118 VIN. Super nice car. Show quality, factory turquoise with turquoise interior. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. All the headlight bezels, the grille, excellent condition. Front bumper was all re-chromed when they did the car. This car's all original body panels and floors. Super solid car. See how straight, flat it is down the sides. All the panel fitment on this car is excellent. Got a set of 18-inch Koi wheels, brand new in tires. Super slick. So the taillights have all been replaced. The rear decklid applique is an original and it's in excellent condition. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. I'm telling you, the paint on this car is slick. There's no orange peel in it. The front suspension's been all updated with a CPP tubular A-arm kit with the sway bar and the disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors. Now the motor is a 69 350 300 horse. They've got it done up so it looks like the L79 motor. It's got the winner's intake on it and the dual snorkel air cleaner and valve covers. It's got a serpentine front runner kit. It's got air conditioning in it, power steering, aluminum radiator. I tell you, with the CPP front suspension kit, this car drives and rides excellent. You know, these little Novas weren't the greatest, but with that front end kit, it sure makes it nice. See, all the interior in this car is excellent. It's all been redone. Shows 49,000 miles on it. The headliner, everything is very nice in the car. Tight, no wrinkles. All the seat covers are excellent. They did updated it with front and rear seat belts. It's got Flaming River tilt column in it, wood wheel. All inside the trunk is really nice. I mean, the paint and the jams and everything is very nice. It's got dual Flowmaster exhaust out the back. It's got 12-bolt posi rear. The 350 turbo trans. It's got retro AM/FM stereo with iPod capability. They done a B&M performance shifter. It works correct with the 350 turbo trans. Original center console. Tell you, I really like the turquoise on turquoise. It is classy. Thing fires right off. Hit the parking lot! Wipers, everything in this kind of thing works. good looking, classy car. You get in this car, go to any of the shows you want. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Car's got perfect stance. Have a great day, folks.